Hey there, fellow designers. Welcome back to Design Dimension, where we explore the endless world of creativity and design. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, the top design books every designer should read. Whether you're a graphic designer, UX UI enthusiast, or just someone who loves great design, these books are guaranteed to inspire and elevate your craft. Let's get started. First, why are design books so important? Well, books are the perfect way to learn from the masters, uncover timeless principles, and spark new ideas. They're like having a mentor you can revisit anytime. All right, without further ado, let's jump into the list. Let's start with a classic. The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman is an absolute must-read for understanding the psychology behind user-centric design. It'll change how you look at everything, from doorknobs to digital interfaces. Next up is Steal Like an Artist. Austin Kleon reminds us that creativity is about borrowing ideas and making them your own. This one's perfect for anyone facing a creative block. IDEO's founders Tom and David Kelly share how everyone has creative potential. Creative confidence will inspire you to think boldly and embrace innovation. Typography is everywhere, and Thinking with Type by Ellen Lupton is the ultimate guide for mastering it. If you're a designer, this book will change how you work with text. Why do some ideas stick while others don't? Made to Stick is a fantastic read for designers working on branding or storytelling. It'll teach you how to make your ideas unforgettable. Here are a few bonus picks for the avid readers out there. Brand Gap by Marty Neumeier. Sprint by Jake Knapp. Logo Design Love by David Airy. Interaction of Color by Joseph Albers. You'll find nuggets of wisdom in each of these. So there you have it, a list of incredible books to supercharge your design journey. Remember, learning doesn't stop at the screen. Dive into these reads and keep growing. Which of these books have you read? Or which ones are you adding to your list? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creatives, and subscribe to Design Dimension for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.